Hello friends, welcome to my channel Grammarian Bhai, and today let's solve Specimen Paper 9 of Class 11 from Total English book. So as usual, you go through by the question number 1 and 2. Let me directly begin from the question number 3. So in question number 3, the first sentence is completed. We have to complete the second sentence. So let's do it. So the first one, your rail season ticket is valid till the month end. So the second sentence would be, you cannot avail the rail season ticket after the month end. B. I borrowed the money yesterday and I will return it tomorrow, he said to her. So the answer will be, he told her that he had borrowed the money the previous day and would return it the next day. C. Nobody expected Sonia to perform so well in her test. So the second sentence would be, everyone was not expecting Sonia to perform so well in her test. Number D. As we were driving down the hill, a strange object was seen in the sky. So the second sentence would be, we saw a strange object in the sky as we drove down the hill. E. They had hardly got out of the hall before the roof collapsed. So the second sentence would be, no sooner had they got out of the hall than the roof collapsed. Second, fill in the blanks with a suitable word. So the first one, do not fall out with your brothers. B. The scheme fell through for want of support. C. She had gone through many hardships. D. My cousin went up in a balloon. E. How is your son getting on at college? F. It is hard to get back from or on this road at night. The principal will look into the matter. H. I look on them as my superiors. I. He made for the big bungalow at the end of the street. J. We expect the government to make up for our losses. Next, number 3. Here fill in the blanks in the passage given below with the appropriate form of the verb given in brackets. So you read the passage. Let me provide you the answers. So first one will be, was struck. Second, to have come. Third, blew. Fourth, were injured. Fifth, was reported. Sixth, suffered. Seventh, began. Eighth, knocked. Ninth, was brought. And 10th, interacting. Next, question number 4. This is a comprehension passage. So you read the passage. Let me provide you the solutions. So the first question here, given below are 3 words and phrases. Find the words which have a similar meaning in the passage. So the first one, largesse, which means liberality. Second, dislike, disgust. Third, mockingly, which means sardonically. Number B, here you have to select the correct options. First one, pocket. So option D is correct. He hails from a rather backward pocket of the city. Next, change. So here option B could be taken. He requested the salesman to give him change for $100. Third, farm. Here option C could be taken. The Tech Farm revolutionized the clothing industry with cutting-edge innovations. Next, second question. Answer the following questions in your own words as briefly as possible. So the first question is, what did Ides say about his imaginary fears? So the answer will be, Ides feared that he would not remain alive to inherit his uncle's wealth, as something unfortunate would happen to him, like a tree would fall on him, or a cab would run over him, or a stone would drop on him. B. How did Valence show that he was concerned about Ides? So the answer will be, Valens showed his concern for Idas by staying with him in the park for the night and accompanying him to the lawyer's office the next morning, lest something untoward should happen to him. C. State the circumstances that led Valens to faint. So the answer will be Valens was disinherited by his uncle and was therefore left with no money. He fainted when he suddenly and unexpectedly came to know that his uncle had changed his decision that he would continue to be his heir as before. Number 3. Compare the fortunes of Valens with that of Idas as mentioned in paragraphs 2 and 8. You are required to write the summary in the form of a connected passage in about 100 words. Failure to keep within the word limit will be penalized. So the answer will be Valens was disinherited by his uncle and left with no money for his upkeep. He met Idas, who was supposed to get an inheritance from his uncle. Idas was afraid that he would die before inheriting his uncle's wealth because of some untoward happening. Valens accompanied Idas to lawyer's Mead, who told Idas that due to a change in his uncle's decision, he would not get any wealth now. He told Valens that he would continue to inherit his uncle's wealth. Valens got the fortune he never expected to get back, and Idas lost the wealth he dreaded to have. And if you think the video is helpful to you, please subscribe the channel and like the video.